this video, we will synthesize all that we have learned so far about the binomial coefficient and how the binomial coefficient can be used. Let's take a look. So, binomial coefficients. For each integer n greater than or equal to 0, the integer k, which is between 0 and n inclusively, there is a number n choose k, which is read n choose k. There are a lot of things about this number. First off, n choose k is the size of bnk, which remember is the number of n bit strings with weight k. N choose k is also the number of subsets of size n, each with cardinality k. N choose k is also the number of lattice paths of length n containing k steps to the right. N choose k is also the coefficient of x to the k times y to the n minus k in the expansion of x plus y all raised to the n. N choose k is also the number of ways to select k objects from a total of n objects. That last one there, that very last one, is actually the definition of n choose k. So if you ever are in a class, a discrete math class, or frankly a lot of math classes, they're oftentimes going to define n choose k as the number of ways to select k objects from a total of n objects. Anyways, thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.